Hey yo, what's going on, guys? MJ Adventure 12 here, back with a brand new video. Here we got our Sprintless Strike here.
What is up? I'm the Roman Empire, and the Roman Empire is back at us again.
Yes.
Oh, how about back at the battle?
Back at the arena.
Yes.
All right, we're working on it.
Yeah.
But we are.
Wait, make sure you can. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Do it.
So, you've seen the title of this video. You've seen the skit. You've seen everything.
Wait, what? What skit?
The villager one.
Oh, right, yeah, that one.
That one.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got stuff that makes you go boom.
TNT.
TNT. Thumbs up for TNT. I'll show you. So we got this set right here. We gotta fill this bad boy up. So let's go into a time lapse. And we got 3 more to go. 3 more.
2,000 years later.
After many years of pumping, we got it. Seriously, this is your first appearance on the channel. Well, the Falcon is mad, because I lost.
Go.
As you can hear, the action's getting started. And because we're gonna be lighting up some fireworks, we need to wear safety glasses. Safety first, safety. You get the drill. Safety first. We got safety glasses.
They're just glow sticks.
What?
They're just glow sticks.
That's upsetting.
That's true.
Yeah.
And they're cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh god. Hey. What? That was sick. Oh my god. Oh, it's still going. Sick.
We don't know. Yes. We don't know if it's done.
Whoa.
You ready?
Yes.
Oh my god! Wow. That was sick! I think that's...
I got the big daddy right here.
Oh, Roman has them.
This is the big mama, right?
Alright, that's
here.
the Big Daddy, everybody.
Is
The
this just one
troll.
wick?
Oh, yeah.
This is the mad trolls.
Yeah.
Let's see what kind of punch we can pack with this baby.
Reloading right now.
Yeah.
I gotta do it. I'm gonna turn off my light. That's better. Now we're gonna see it.
One. Here we go.
Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Wait for it. Oh yeah, baby! Oh! Ho ho! like a waterfall of fire. Oh my god! That was cool. Alright, that fireworks show was pretty cool. It's like after we did our little fireworks show inside, we went to a field to watch the fireworks inside of a car. That was pretty cool. Now we got some sparklers. Like we got a bunch. Like this is my brother's. I got my own. So this should be pretty freaking lit. We should get started.
We need this in the middle. Everybody's crossing everybody.
Oh yeah.
I can't. Just crossing.
We got the torch of
Other.
life.
Nana, let me.
What am I talking about? Oh yeah.
Don't do that. Let me do it.
Let's just pray we don't start a fire. That's pretty lit. That's pretty freaking lit.
Give me fire.
Alright, wait for it. It's gonna be lit. Again.
No, you're not. No, come on. Here.
Whoa! That was insane.
Fingers at the end.
Did you catch that?
Yeah.
Back away because it sparks when it first
Dr.
lights.
Strange.
Back up. No, let the paper catch. You take it way too fast.
Wow.
Are you catching this
Right
right now?
Holding it.
Go ahead. Yes.
Nice.
I got them.
Right? Whoa! That was sick.
You gotta wait until you gotta start at the same time.
Hold it. Till it sparks. Keep holding.
Expecto Patronum!
Oh yeah.
Get out of the wax.
Whoa! Don't kill me. Yeah.
We got a Minecraft torch now. We're in the cave. We're about to die from mobs of
Further,
imagination.
more on the stick.
Dynamite!
Okay.
Oh.
Go where